Welcome to Sri Ram Medical College. Today we will explore operating theatre lighting, the importance of proper illumination during surgery. The human visual system was developed to perform best in bright daylight. However, many modern tasks, such as those in operating theatres, are carried out in sterile, regulated surroundings that demand the use of artificial lights. Therefore, a lot of effort has been put into designing artificial lighting that can simulate, and, in some cases, even improve upon, natural light. Human vision uses contrast extensively to identify objects and place them in their correct settings. Loss of contrast impairs visual performance, and by implication, human performance. Contrast can be affected by both the color of visual targets and the amount of reflected light that reaches the eye. Proper illumination in the operating theatre is crucial for ensuring that the surgical team can perform their tasks safely and effectively. Adequate lighting allows the surgeon to see the operative field clearly, which is essential for precision and accuracy during surgery. It also helps to reduce eye strain and fatigue, which can lead to errors and complications. General lighting provides overall illumination in the room and is used to create a bright and well-lit environment. Local lighting is used to illuminate the operative field specifically and is typically provided by a surgical light mounted above the table. These lights are usually very bright and provide a high level of illumination. The surgical field can be illuminated without the surgeon having to use either of their hands by means of a portable lighting device known as a headlamp, which is worn by the surgeon. It's important to note that the lighting system should be designed to provide the appropriate amount of light for the specific procedure, with the ability to adjust the intensity and focus. The lighting system should also be designed to reduce glare and shadows as much as possible. Adequate lighting is essential for the surgeon to see the operative field clearly, which is crucial for precision and accuracy during surgery. Proper illumination can help to reduce eye strain and fatigue, which can lead to errors and complications. There are several different types of lighting used in the operating theatre, including general lighting, local lighting, and headlight. The lighting system should be designed to provide the appropriate amount of light for the specific procedure, with the ability to adjust the intensity and focus. The lighting system should also be designed to reduce glare and shadows as much as possible. The requirements for light in the operating room will vary for the various surgical specialties. Mobility, adjustability, and simplicity of light handle changes are more important to nurses and dot assistants. A lux meter is used to measure the amount of light at a certain location, which is measured in lux, LX. The intensity of light in a given area is measured in lux, where 1 lux is equivalent to 1 lumen per square meter. Ra and R9 are measures of how different colors are rendered when illuminated by different light sources, tissue for example. Daylight has a color rendition index, CRI, of 100, making it the gold standard for measuring light quality. If the CRI of an operating room light is close to 100, it will accurately portray colors to the human eye. In order to tell the difference between the colors of tissue and arterial or venous blood, the surgeon must have a firm grasp on how the light displays a saturated deep red color, I9. Color temperature, K, the scale used to quantify how cold or warm white light appears to the human eye. Surgical teams can modify the light properties of some LEDs to aid in tissue distinction because of the light's adaptability to varying color temperatures. Luminance, LX, at 1 meter from the light source's surface in the center of the light field, also known as central illumination, EC. It is essential that the light be capable of producing both a high luminance and acceptable color rendition concurrently for optimal performance. The center of the light field is the location inside the illuminated region where the intensity of light is greatest. Measurements are typically made in relation to this standard. The depth of illumination is defined as the horizontal distance from the source of light at which 20% of the total illuminance is reached. Shadow dilution refers to the light's capacity to lessen the effect of barriers. Perfect shadow dilution occurs when there is no trace of a cast shadow or colored shadow. The diameter of the portion of the light field surrounding the center that has an illuminance of 10% or less is referred to as the light field's diameter. A fail-safe is a contingency plan in case the primary power source goes down. Engineers with expertise in the medical field will inspect the product's technical details and quality as well as the power source, fixture installation, and lighting suspension. LED lights are widely used in operating rooms because they are energy efficient, durable, and produce minimal heat. Lighting that doesn't generate glare, shadows, or visual stress is essential for a successful and efficient operating room. Sufficient ambient illumination as well as direct and indirect job lighting is essential in the operating room. The theater crew will be more efficient if they can modify the brightness and color temperature of these lights. Inadequate lighting has the potential to negatively affect the patient by causing the duration of procedures to increase due to doubt or mistakes. Poor ambient lighting can have negative effects on the health of the surgeon, anesthesiologist, and support staff, as well as reduce the efficiency and security of the workplace. The ability to rely on the functioning of the lighting equipment in the operating room is largely dependent on the surgical illumination that is installed there. The color temperature of the light can affect the perception of color during surgery. Most hospitals use lights with a color temperature around 4,000 K for optimal color perception. Proper illumination can improve the overall efficiency of the surgical team, allowing them to perform their tasks more quickly and safely. The lighting system should be well maintained and properly adjusted before each procedure to ensure optimal performance. Proper illumination in the operating theater is critical for patient safety and the success of the procedure. It is essential to have proper lighting in the operating room as it is not only crucial for the surgeons and nurses but also for the patients. The operating room lights should be bright enough to provide a clear view of the surgical field and should be adjustable for different procedures. Proper illumination in the operating theater is critical for patient safety and the success of the procedure. An inadequate lighting system can lead to errors and complications, so it's essential to ensure that the lighting system is well maintained and properly adjusted before each procedure. Join Shri Ram Medical College's Bachelor of Vocation in Operation Theatre Technology and take the first step toward a successful career in Operation Theatre Technologist. We are here to assist you in launching your career as an Operation Theatre Technologist. Call us at 9968193009 for more information about our program or to submit an application right away. Shri Ram Medical College, nurturing next generation of healthcare leaders, and offers all paramedical courses at competitive fee and helps in 100% placement assistance. Admission open. For more information, please visit our website shriramcollege.com and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel Shri Ram Medical College. Good luck, goodbye.